get started with one-click document acknowledgement using QlutchQMS. First, you have to turn it on for the document you need required document acknowledgement tracking for. To do this, click the hamburger menu in the top right corner when viewing the document. Then select Update Document Settings. When a menu pops up, move to the second page with the Document Lifecycle Settings. This is where you'll find the Doc Acknowledgement setting. Simply click the checkbox to activate it for this document. If you are inheriting the settings from the folder and you want to keep it this way, then you need to make this change at the folder level. Click the Update Folder Settings option. Navigate to the Document Lifecycle page. Then check the Document Acknowledgement setting and add all users that must be required to complete Doc acknowledgements for documents in this folder. Now that those changes are made, we can navigate back to the document and confirm that the changes have cascaded down to the document inheriting the settings. Now that we have confirmed that this document is set up and ready to go, let's see what it looks like in action. To do that, we will go ahead and take our draft document, approve it, and see the Doc Acknowledgement action be assigned. Keep in mind that Doc Acknowledgements are assigned when a new revision has been fully approved. Whether the assignment occurs when the document moves to published or effective status can be changed in DocControl settings, but is set to published by default. Here you can see the message provided to all required acknowledgers when they are viewing the related document. To complete the action, the user simply clicks the button beside the message. But before we do, let's quickly jump to Basecamp and see how these Doc Acknowledgement actions appear there. Along with receiving an email notification, a required acknowledger will receive an action like this, and simply click the action item to bring them to the document they need to acknowledge. Once a user clicks the Acknowledge button, they will forever be shown a confirmation message that they have already acknowledged that revision of that document. And at any point in time, if you want to see an up-to-date report on who has completed their required acknowledgement actions, simply navigate to Details in the Acknowledgement section to see the list. For any other questions or concerns about using document acknowledgements, please contact our support team by emailing support@QlutchQMS.com. If you're not yet a QlutchQMS customer but want to see more, please go to QlutchQMS.com and click the button in the top right corner to book a demo.